Hi guys and girls.
Hi guys and girls.
Today we're looking at adjacent angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles.
Oh.
And we're going to go through those three words and what they mean and why they're useful.
Okay.
So firstly, adjacent angles is any two angles that are right next to each other.
Yeah, right. They're just next to each other. They're adjacent.
They're adjacent. Okay? If they're sitting next to each other, if they share a line, that red ruler in the middle, then the two angles we've got here, top angle and bottom angle, are adjacent. Adjacent are any angles that just share a common line.
All right. Let me just really muck this up for you. So if I go like this, if I go there,
Yep.
there,
Yep.
and that one to there.
Yep.
These angles are
Yep.
adjacent.
These angles are adjacent. Okay, and we give those angles names.
You want,
Okay.
you want another pretty colour, don't you?
I do love my colours.
You like your colours, yeah.
Okay, so we call this angle A, B, C. Angle A, B. So I should use the capitals. A, B, C.
Right.
Okay, this symbol here stands for angle,
Right.
and it means A, B is the point,
Yep.
or where the two lines meet, and C is the other angle.
Got it.
Okay, and this is angle A, B, C.
Right.
Okay, so if I make a D here, then I've got angle at the bottom,
Which is C,
C, very good,
B,
very good,
D.
B, D.
Oh, stop it. Righto.
Okay, so angle A, B, C,
Got it.
and angle C, B, D.
Righto. Cool. Oops, sorry. Cool.
Okay, so these are two adjacent angles.
I'll put D down there again to know they're adjacent angles.
They're two adjacent angles, and they're adjacent because they share the line B, C.
Easy.
Okay, now we're going to look at complementary and supplementary angles.
Complementary and supplementary.
That are two specific types of adjacent angles.
Right.
Okay, so the angles we're looking at today are all adjacent, and we're just going to have a look at a specific type.
So they're all adjacent because they share a line.
They're all adjacent because they share a line.
Easy done.
Okay.
Okay, looking good so far. Yep.
So that's a straight line.
Yep.
Do you remember what the angle of a straight line was?
Well, it's 180, isn't it?
180.
Yeah,
Perfect. So this is a straight line.
Yep.
And that's 180 degrees.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Yep.
Now what I'm going to do is just at a random point, this is really mean to the angle, I'm going to chop it into two angles.
Righto. Two angles. So this
Two
is
angles.
one angle,
Yep.
and this is another angle.
That's another angle.
Beautiful. Okay.
Okay, now what do these two angles have to add up to?
Well, they add up to 180.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, if I have two angles together that make a straight line,
Yep.
they have to equal 180.
Righto.
Okay, and two angles on a straight line are called supplementary.
So if they add up to 180, they are supplementary.
They are supplementary.
Great. Okay.
Okay,
Got it. Yep.
supplementary angles add up to 180.
Beautiful.
Okay, so if I was given or measure this small angle, if I zero it, it might be that little bit easier. If say this small angle is 60 degrees, okay, the little angle, the little part of the angle equals 60 degrees.
Yep.
What's the big part of the angle going to equal?
Well, it would be 180 minus the 60, wouldn't it? It'd be
Yep,
the total, which is, because we know it's got to be 180,
yep,
and then it minuses the 60, which is this bit.
yep.
So I'm going to guesstimate that equals 120.
Perfect.
Righto. So if I said that was A, and this is B, and that is C,
Mhm.
could I write it and say that angle A, B, C equals, well, what do we say it equals?
60.
60. We'll get rid of that. 60 degrees.
Mhm.
And then angle CBD. Is that right?
Yep,
CBD has to equal 120.
Perfect.
Fantastic. And they're supplementary. These, how about this? These adjacent angles are supplementary.
I know.
Because they add up to 180.
Perfect.
Oh, somebody stop me.
I know.
Okay, great, got it.
Okay, next part we'll do
Another part.
another part, probably the final part because we've gone through adjacent, supplementary. We'll do the complementary angles.
I thought you were going to say that.
I know, it's like you've got psychic powers.
Well, yeah, I do have some sort of powers. Just not quite sure what sort of powers.
One day you'll discover your own power, much like Spider-Man.
Well, I guess so, yes. Right,
Complementary angles.
Let's just go there, shall we? Complementary
Okay.
angles.
Okay, so essentially you've got a right angle here.
Yeah, I do.
And by the same logic, if I cut it at a random point, they did add up. The angle was, what, 90 degrees?
Yeah.
So it was 90 degrees.
So we could say, could I be really tricky? Correct me if I'm wrong. A, B, C, and this is D, right?
Mm-hmm.
Could I say that angle A, B, D equals that?
Yeah.
Angle A, B, D, A, B, D equals 90. Is that right?
Perfect.
Oh, stop it.
Okay, and if we measure what angle ABC is,
So we're doing A, B, and C. We're doing this one, yeah?
yeah, we're going to do angle ABC.
Yep, got it.
If I can find 0. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Yep.
So angle ABC, again, 60 degrees.
Stop it, you say.
I think even if when at random, I go 60 degrees as an angle.
Yeah. And
Kind of
that's
strange.
that's for angle A,
Yep.
B, A, B, C. So it's this one here. Yeah.
Yep. So it's
Okay.
angle ABC. Get rid of that because it just looks like a minus. Angle ABC, ABC
Okay.
equals 60 degrees.
Okay. So what angle A, B, D? So A, B, D, or angle A, B. Sorry, A, B, D.
Equal 90 degrees.
Well, it has to equal. It would equal 90 degrees
Yep.
minus
I know. Angle ABD. ABD equals 90 degrees.
So I'm going CBA.
CBD.
Yeah, so that's it. CBD. Yeah, okay.
CBD.
D.
Equals
90 minus whatever this
60.
is. So that would equal 30 degrees.
Yep. Perfect.
Because we know that these add up to 90.
Excellent.
I think I got it.
Okay. And that is complementary and supplementary angles.
So let's write the word complementary in there. So we've got supplementary and complementary in there.
Yep.
So that's a complementary. So if anybody wants to pause this screen while completing some work, they can see that complementary ones are 90, supplementaries are 180. Somebody stop me, I'm on fire.
I think that's really good, Mr. Hughes.
I'm on fire. You can go and get your toast, your bread, right? And you can make it into toast by just having it close to me because I'm on fire.
You could warm my spaghetti.